Hello students, this is question number 6 of exercise 10.4 of chapter circles of class 9. A circular park of radius 20 meters is situated in a colony. Three boys, Ankur, Sayyed and David, are sitting at equal distance on its boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hands to talk each other. Find the length of the string of the each phone. So again we are going to start with the understand this question with the help of a figure. So this is I have already made the figure, that is this is a circle. ये circular park है जहाँ पर तीनों boys are sitting at on the boundary of the circle. Yes, it is given in the question. So this is Ankur, this is Sayyed and David. These A, S, G are the representing the three boys. ये तीनों represent कर लें. Basically हमें क्या find out करना, find the length of the string of each phone. They are using a telephone, a toy telephone, और वो आपस में बात कर रहे हैं. Of course the length of the string will equal to the distance between the two boys. So here I have assumed as a 2a. Why I have assumed as a 2a? Because I am going to tell you. First of all, we will draw a perpendicular. जब हम perpendicular draw करेंगे तो this perpendicular will go from the center, yes, of, because in an equilateral triangle, this is the circle, is the circumcircle of this equilateral triangle, and this OA, that is the radii, that is given 20. Yes, in a what we can see, I can see, I want to tell you, the perpendicular in an equilateral triangle is always behave like a median. Yes, जब ये median behave करता है, so we have two methods. Let me tell you with the help of another figure. Suppose this is an equilateral triangle, and if we draw three medians, yes, median is here equivalent to the perpendicular. Median will behave as a perpendicular in equilateral triangle, and perpendicular will behave as a median. Yes, because it is a property of an equilateral triangle. ये equilateral triangle का property है. ठीक है, अब जब medians आपस में जहाँ intersect करते हैं, that will be the center of the circle. Yes, वो center होता है, और medians आपस को intersect करते हैं in the 2:1 ratio. किस रेशियो में? 2:1. Yes, so this is the main property. If you remember this property, अगर आप ये वाली property याद रखेंगे तो this question is going to be very easy for you. Otherwise हमारे पास दूसरा method है. हम लोग क्या करेंगे, we have drawn, हमें perpendicular draw करना ही है, ये median की तरह भी behave करता है. So इसीलिए मैंने इसे 2a लिया है. अगर मैं इसे इस साइड को a लेती, so SL का डिस्टेंस क्या हो जाता है? a/2. फिर दैट विल कम इन अ फ्रैक्शन इन अ रैशनल नंबर. सो हमारा कैलकुलेशन थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड हो जाता है अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस. सो इफ आई टेक 2a, तो हाफ ऑफ 2a will equal to a. So if we use this and if we forget, अगर हमें नहीं याद है इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल का प्रॉपर्टी, दैट इज द मीडियंस इंटरसेक्ट एट 2:1 रेशियो, तब हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर हमें इन दोनों ट्राइंगल्स का एक ओ को हमें ऐसे ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा. तब हमारे पास टू ट्राइंगल्स हो जाएंगे, ASL बिगर ट्राइंगल एंड स्मॉलर ट्राइंगल OSL, और फिर हमें दोनों को पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. एट दैट टाइम हमारे पास दो वेरिएबल हो जाएंगे, OL जो हमें डिस्टेंस नहीं पता है फॉर द स्मॉलर ट्राइंगल, एंड फॉर द बिगर ट्राइंगल ऑलरेडी वी हैव अ A एंड A, दैट इज अगेन अ वेरिएबल. और जब हमारे पास टू वेरिएबल्स हो जाएंगे, देन वी हैव अ टू इक्वेशन, टू पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, एंड देन द कैलकुलेशन इज मोर एक्चुअली. Yes, but we can do from this also. If you forget the equilateral property, equilateral triangle property, आपको 2:1 रेशियो का मीडियन का प्रॉपर्टी याद नहीं है, तब आप ये दो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम यूज करके यू कैन इजिली फाइंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द वैल्यू ऑफ x, देन बाय पुटिंग द वैल्यू इन द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इन द फर्स्ट पाइथागोरस ऑफ द बिगर ट्राइंगल, और आपको a का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. यस, सो a का वैल्यू मिलने के बाद अगेन हमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. बेसिकली हमें 2a डिस्टेंस चाहिए, बट आई एम यूजिंग हियर this figure, I am using here this figure and making this using the property of equilateral triangle. So according to the property of equilateral triangle, yes, according to the property of equilateral triangle, OA upon OL is equal, OL is equal to 2:1. Yes, medians intersect at 2:1 ratio in equilateral triangle. That you have to remember. Medians intersect at center, एक तो सेंटर पे इंटरसेक्ट करते हैं in 2:1 ratio in equilateral triangle. Okay, yes. Now OA is already given to us. OA हमें कितना दिया हुआ है, ये देखो OA हमें दिया हुआ है 20, that is the radii of the circular part. So 20 upon OL is equal to 2/1. So OL is equal to 10. Okay, 2 से cancel हो जाएगा 10 and by cross multiplication we have got OL is equal to 10. That is first. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, because we have this bigger triangle, so AS square plus SL square plus AL square. Yes, AS square is equal to SL square plus AL square, and here AL is equal to OA plus OL. Yes, so AL is equal to 20 plus 10 that we have recently find out that. So the value of AL is equal to 30 meter. Now you can see here in the bigger triangle AS square plus SL square and AL square, और AL का value हम देखेंगे, that is OA is equal to 20, that is the radii of the circle, and OL that we need to find out, that we have find out here. Yes, so we have got this. Now by putting the value, AS square is already 2A, that we have already assumed. So 2A square is equal to SL, that is A square plus 30 square. You can see here, ये देखो. Yes, 2A square plus A square plus 30. So 4A square is equal to A square plus 900, that is equal to 3A square. By taking this A square to the left hand side is equal to 900, or we can say A square is equal to 900 upon 3, that is equal to 300, or it implies that A is equal to under root of 300. Yes, so A is equal to 10 under root 3, and we need, actually we have find out the value of A here, but we need to find out the value of 2A. Yes, so 2A is equal to 2 into 10 root 3, that is equal to 20 root 3. That is required, that the distance, or we can say the length of the string between the two boys. I hope it is clear. But only the very one thing, if you want the easy calculation and you want to save your time, you must remember the property of an equilateral triangle regarding the median. I hope this question is quite clear to you. For any query, you can write in the comment box. Yes, so thank you, students.